Hey everyone, Elmo Arteaga here with ProStudioLive.com. I've got another sweet vocal tip that I want to share with you. This is going to show you how to give some importance and stereo width to your otherwise mono vocal track. So let me go ahead and play you a passage from this acoustic pop track that I've been working on. It's got two vocalists, one is a male, one is a female. This is going to be the chorus of the song, so let's pay attention to the vocals and listen to how direct and dry they may sound. There is some processing on there, but it's very narrow sounding. It's very down the middle. Let's have a listen. Cool. So it's very down the middle. Now let's go ahead and take a listen to what might happen when I engage a special effect that I'll be showing you here in a second. Did you catch it? Let's go ahead and check it out in solo.
Yeah, you so to the bone, and the beauty of your storm, the pain dissolves to nothing as we kiss. Make this one last, make this one last, my God, my girl, my
So if you heard it, what I'm doing here is I'm adding a small little chorus effect. I'm using Waves Doubler to create this effect. Now, how I set this up is I'm not using the direct signal. I'm only using the two voicing options here. I'm not really doing all too much to it, though. I'm delaying it a few milliseconds on one side and another different set of milliseconds on the other side. And I'm also detuning. That's the important part. I'm detuning up 5 cents on one side and down 5 cents on the other. What this does is it creates two other vocals that go on the left and right channel, and because they're slightly different, it creates this like warbly sort of chorusy effect, and that's really cool. It spreads my vocal out from the dead center to take up a little bit more space in my stereo image, which will equal a little bit more influence over the mix itself. Now, this plugin is rad because it gives you some further options to shape the tone of your output signal. And what I mean by that is I can filter off or shelf off some frequencies. Now here I have a shelf or a filtering at 1029 hertz to roll off anything below that. And then I have a shelf here boosting up about 7.5 decibels at 3,642 hertz. I also have this gained down a little bit because on my vocal, my send here is set to 0. So it's sending all the same information. If I had this at 0, it would be quite loud. Let me go ahead and show you what that might sound like.
Yeah, you so to the bone, and the beauty of your storm, the pain dissolves to nothing as we kiss.
Now without it.
Make this one last, make this one last, my God, my girl, my love, baby.
Now you can use this on other instruments in a mix as well, say for instance a pad element like maybe an organ or a synthesizer. This song does have an organ, so let me quickly show you what that might sound like. Over here is a Hammond organ over the chorus. Let's go ahead and have a listen to it. Cool, standard sounding Hammond organ. Sounds fantastic in a mix by itself, but when it's everything else is going on around it, it kind of gets lost a little bit. So adding this chorus effect might help bring it out a little bit and give it some more importance in my mix. Let's go ahead and have a listen in the mix and see if we can hear when I engage my send to the chorus.
So to the bone, and the beauty of your storm, the pain dissolves to nothing as we kiss. Make this one last, make this one last. My God, my girl, my love, baby.
Did you catch it? Let's go ahead and listen in solo. Pretty interesting effect, right? Let's go ahead and have a listen to this whole chorus once more with this chorus engaged throughout the process.
So to the bone, and the beauty of your storm, the pain dissolves to nothing as we kiss. Make this one last, make this one last. My God, my girl, my love, baby.
Cool. So this effect can be made using this plugin or any plugin that allows you to pitch shift in a cent manner. It needs to be in small increments. I guess you could experiment and use larger increments too, but I've found that 5 semitones up and 5 semitones down, or cents rather, excuse me, that seems to give me the best sounding chorus effect. You don't need to go so far as EQing afterwards or even delaying the signal. That's just something that I liked to do using this plugin. So I encourage you to try something like this in your own production using a different set of plugins and see what you might come up with. So if you like this video and you want to check out more, please head to prostudiolive.com, where you'll find videos like this along with hundreds of others with countless of hours of information that'll help you learn and improve your mixes. Also, if you liked this mix, I have a mix deconstruction available on prostudiolive.com called Mixing an Acoustic Pop Track. So you can go to prostudiolive.com and check that out. I'll see you soon.